Tired of a messy Xero Files inbox with no delete button in sight? I will show you exactly how to clean it up in seconds. First, log in and navigate to your organization. Then, we will walk through selecting and deleting files step by step. It is simpler than you think. So start by logging into your Xero account. You probably already have this open, but make sure you are on the main dashboard where you see all your organizations listed. This is your home base for everything. Once you are logged in, click on your organization name. It does not matter which one, just the one that has all those files you want to clean up. That will take you into the main menu for that business or client. Now, from that menu, select Files. You will see it listed on the left-hand side, usually with a little folder icon next to it. This opens your Xero Files Inbox, where all your uploaded documents like invoices, receipts, and statements are sitting. And this is where the clutter usually lives. Alright, so now you can see your files. Browse through the list and click on the file you want to delete. Just a single click on the file name or the little thumbnail preview. This opens the File Details page, where you can see a preview of the document itself and some information about it. Now, here is the important part. With the file selected and the Details page open, look for the Delete button. You will find it in the top right corner of the page, right next to the Download button. It might be a small trash can icon or just the word Delete. Go ahead and click that. A confirmation dialog will pop up. Xero is making sure you really want to get rid of this file. It will say something like, "Are you sure you want to delete this file?" And this is your last chance to change your mind. Click the OK button to permanently delete it. And just like that, it is gone. Now, let us verify it worked. Go back to your Files inbox by clicking the Files link again on the left. The file should no longer be there. Take a quick look to confirm it is gone. That simple check gives you peace of mind that you did not accidentally keep a copy. If you have more than one file to clean up, you can repeat this process for each one. Click the file, click Delete, confirm, and go back. It takes a few seconds per file. But here is a time saver if you have a whole batch to remove. When you are in the Files inbox, look for a checkbox next to each file name. You can check multiple files at once and then look for a bulk action option. Depending on your version of Xero, there might be a Delete Selected button at the top or bottom of the list. This lets you clean up 10 or 20 files in one go instead of doing them one by one. And that is really all there is to it. From a cluttered, confusing inbox to a clean, organized file management system. Now you know exactly how to delete those unwanted files without any guesswork. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing!